everyone, it's Danita. I'm here again for a new craft. Now this one is a pretty quick one. Very easy, but so pretty. I picked these up from the Goodwill last year, packed them up until I needed them. Once I moved, I decided I was going to make this into my centerpiece. So I have 6 of them. I have 3 more to do. I have enough flowers to do 2 more, and then I'll decide what flowers I want for the 3rd one. So I picked out these flowers, and I believe I got these from Joann's. They were $2 each, and I had a coupon for, I want to say 20 to 30% off. So I got these, and then I also picked these up from Joann's. These beautiful, let me see what kind of these are. It doesn't say, but they look like open roses. Very pretty color. So the first thing I did, actually the next thing you'll also need will be some scissors and some foam that I picked up from Dollar Tree, along with some floral gel beads that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. Hello, yeah, I'm back. Unfortunately, my camera stopped, so you didn't get to see how I was able to do this one, but this is how it turned out. Very, very pretty. I really, really like it. And then I set it in here. So I'll go ahead and do the next one. I won't need this one yet. I will the Dollar Tree. And then you will cut these flowers down very short. You won't need the greenery. I don't use the greenery. Now these are thinner than the blue ones. The blue ones, it was pretty thick. So these will be a lot easier to cut, but what you do is you'll cut just to break that plastic and then bend back and forth. So I'll go ahead and do this whole bouquet here. Doesn't take long to do this one at all. Yeah, I did the whole video of this one and then saw that it stopped recording midway. But that's okay. I'm trying to decide what type of camera to use. I've been doing my research, but I just have not gotten the okay. I kind of try to wait until the perfect thing comes around. I mean, sometimes you just know when it's time to buy something. And I've really been doing my research. I bought a couple of cameras trying to go the cheap route, and you get what you pay for. So I was luckily able to return those cameras. So I do realize you have to put some money in when you want something that gives a good quality. Now these videos have been pretty good, but this is on my Android, and again, I've come with the problem of it stopping on me and me not even realizing it. So I just want to get me a good camera, and I know I'm going to pay some money for it, but I'll be happy with it. So once you've cut these down, you just place these into the foam. You go all around and you get kind of close so there's no space that you can see. And I try to angle these because I don't want the green showing down here either. So I can almost tell that I'm going to need the other batch as well. So I will cut those and I will come back . So what I just did was I put it in here, and as you can see it right there. So I'll cut these last two. And I'll be okay. So what I'll do next is I'll go ahead and pour in the floor gel beads that I bought from Dollar Tree. And fill this up about right there. I'll just put the rest in. And then I just place this in here. These are still on the inside. And that'll just sit in there very pretty. These are more compact than the others, but very, very pretty. So, I'll get that situated. And then what I do, I have one more that I'll do later. But what I do on occasion, I'll put these and I'll arrange these on my table in different ways. These are the ones I did earlier, so sometimes I may put them in a circle. And then I'll put something in between here, so I'll come back and show you what I do with it later. I hope you enjoyed that. Very simple, but very pretty. I really, really enjoyed making it. If you like this video, and I hope you did, please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like this video, hit your notification button for any more videos that I upload. You'll be notified once I post them. So I hope you like it. Please leave a comment below, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you very much, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.